Lagi nating naririnig sa mga cases, criminal cases about minors na did he act with discernment? So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng discernment? No? And again, the Supreme Court in a recent ruling said that a 17-year-old boy na guilty of homicide was found to have acted with discernment. Yun yung capacity ng child at the time of the commission of the offense to understand the difference between right and wrong and the consequences of the wrongful act. Pag ang child ay alam niya kung ano ang mali at tama, alam niya na pag gumawa siya ng mali ay may penalty na binibigay ang batas, then that is discernment. Of course, for example, a child is mentally retarded, no? And he commits a crime of rape. Did he act with discernment? Yun ang tanong. He could not have acted with discernment kasi yung mental capacity niya hindi niya ma-determine what is right and what is wrong at kung ano yung consequences ng maling action niya. So dito ang basic general criteria, common criteria is alam ba ng bata na mali ang ginagawa niya at alam niya kung ginawa niya ay mabibigyan siya ng penalty. So yun yung definition ng discernment.